Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. Juliana Osman आपकी खदमत में हाजिर है and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing active voice and passive voice. Before starting this video, I would like to make you request that don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. Alright, so we are doing today active voice and passive voice, and we are doing affirmative sentences of past continuous tense. Sorry, I have written it present perfect continuous as it was written earlier and I did not remove it, but this is past continuous tense. So the active voice formula is subject, was or verb, verb first form, then ing, and then object, and then at the last you have to insert full stop. So these sentences are written before you. These are active voice sentences such as I was reading this book, he was observing Aslam, they were painting on this wall, she was closing the window, we were taking admission in this college. So these sentences deal with past continuous tense. Now we have to make them passive voice. We have to convert the sentences of active voice into passive voice. So the passive voice sentences are object, was or were. Let me draw the line here so as this box could cover this formula. Object, was or were, then being, then verb third form, then by, then subjective pronoun. Alright. So the active voice sentences are, let's go to first sentence and I will convert it in passive voice. I was reading this book. Alright, I was reading this book. So how I will make it? The object will come here first because this is an affirmative sentence. This book. Then I have to apply was or were. I have to decide that whether I have to apply was or were, because it depends on object. If your object is singular, you will apply was, but your object is plural, you have to apply were. So this book, ठीक है, reading this book कि मैं एक किताब पढ़ रही हूँ, so it means the object is singular. So this book was. This book was, then you have to apply being, then verb third form, and you have to apply now verb third form. So for this you will go to sentence, you will back to your sentence, and the verb is reading. The first form of reading is read because it has become reading as I have added ing form. So this book was being read, as third form is also read, but we will pronounce it read, not read, because read is first form and we say read, but the spelling will remain same of all the forms. Read, read, read. Alright, this book was being read. Okay, verb third form issue has been sorted out here. Now we have to apply according to formula by. Then subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun, we have to look for subject. What is subject? Subject is I. So the I will be converted into me. This book was being read by me. Let's go to second sentence. He was observing Aslam. He was observing Aslam. Alright, so Aslam has been used here as object, though Aslam is a name, but someone who is he, his name is not written here, and the subject is working on object and the object is Aslam. यानी कि जो हमारा subject है वो object पर काम कर रहा है, and our object is not a thing but a person. His name is Aslam. So he was observing Aslam. That is why Aslam will act here as an object. Aslam was, then being. Aslam was being. Then what is verb here? You have to, as Aslam was being, you have written here. Now you have to see verb. And verb third form is observing. It means observe is first form. Second is observe. Ed will be added. And the third is also observe. Alright. Aslam was being observed. Then by you have to apply according to formula. You will not change it. By and subjective pronoun, you have to look your subject. Subject is he and he will be converted into him. Alright, so you have to apply full stop because this is an affirmative sentence. Okay, let's go to third sentence. They were painting on this wall. This wall is object. This wall, then you have to apply was. Then you have to apply being. Why was came? Because this wall, it means I am talking about one wall, यानी कि एक दीवार. This wall was being painted. Why painted? Because the verb is painting. Actually the verb first form is paint, because here ing has been written, that is why it has become painting, but you have to apply third form of the verb. So the first form is paint, then the second form is painted, and the third form is also painted. This wall was being painted. Then according to formula by, then subjective pronoun, you have to look. They, it is subject and they will be converted into them. Painted by them. Alright. So again, apply full stop. She was closing the window. The window is object. The window, it means talking about one window. So the object is singular. And with singular object, you know well, here we have to apply is. The window is being. Being came according to formula because in continuous tense, in past continuous tense, or in present continuous tense, or in future perfect, future continuous tense, we have to apply being after was or were. Was or were are auxiliary verbs. The window is being closed. Close is the third form of the verb. Then you have to apply by, and at last you have to apply subjective pronoun. We were taking admission in this college. This is the fifth sentence. We were taking admission in this college. So the in this college will become our object. In this college. Now admission. In this college, admission then was, because admission, you know, it is object and that is a one admission. Was being taken by them. Alright. So these are 5 sentences which I have converted into passive voice. So the active voice, all these sentences which deal with active voice sentences, they have been converted into passive voice. Now these are affirmative sentences. Now we will convert same sentences into negative sentences. All right. So we are doing negative sentences. So the formula is written before here. Subject, was word, not, verb first form, ing, object, and the last you have to apply full stop. Alright, so these are active voice sentences, such as number 1 sentence is I was not reading this book. Second sentence is he was not observing Islam. The third sentence is they were not painting on this wall. The fourth sentence is she was not closing the window. The fifth sentence is we were not taking admission in this college. So we have to convert them passive voice. So the passive voice formula is written before here. You can see here you have to write object first, then was or were, then after was or were you have to apply not, and must remember was and were are auxiliary verbs. And why you are applying here not? Because it is negative sentence, that is why it is negative formula, so you have to apply not, and after not you have to apply being. Was not being read. Okay, then verb third form, then by, then subjective pronoun. Alright, so let's convert first active voice sentence into passive voice, and it will be according to past continuous tense formula. So I was not reading this book. So this book is object, as we have done in affirmative sentences. This book, then you have to apply was, because this book is object and the object is singular. This book was not, then being, then verb third form. What is verb here? Reading, read. The third form is read, R-E-A-D, read. Then by will come according to formula, and subjective pronoun is me, as I will be converted into me. He was not observing Islam. As I have told you earlier that here Islam is not a subject but it is an object. It means he is someone who is acting upon the object. यानी कि he जो है वो काम कर रहा है असलम पर. That is why असलम जो है मफूल है. So Aslam has become here object. So Aslam is not subject. Aslam is acting upon here as an object. So in this sentence, the role of Aslam is object. So the Aslam will come into will come first. Aslam, then was, then not will come according to formula, then being. Then verb third form, you have to look here, observe, observe. The second form is observed and the third form is also observed. Only you have to add ed. O-B-S-E-R-V-E-D. Observed. Observed. Then by, subjective pronoun. You have to look subject. Subject is he, and he will be converted into him. Alright, they were not painting on this wall. This wall is object. Object is singular because it is a wall. So the walls will come here. If I would write here these walls, then verb will come here. Okay, this wall was not being. Now painting. Okay, painting, it means here paint has been used as a verb. So the third form of verb is painted. Then by will come according to formula, and at last you will apply them. this wall was not being painted by them. The fourth sentence is she was not closing the window. The window is singular. बहुत सारी windows होती हैं. It will become the windows were, because it is a window. I am talking about a singular window, so the window was. ठीक है. Then not will come according to formula. Then being will come according to formula. Then verb third form, close. The third form of verb is closed. The window was not being closed. Then by will come according to formula. Acha, who was not closing the window? She. So the she is a subject and the subjective pronoun will be her. She will be converted into her. So the fifth sentence is we were not taking admission in this college. As in affirmative sentences, I had written in this college admission. You can convert this sentence in other way also. So I am telling you here that admission, if you write first admission has become object, then because admission singular, admission was, then not, then being according to formula, then taking. Okay, taking, the third form of take is taken. T-A-K-E-N, taken. Admission was not being taken. Then by आ गया, then we will be converted into us. अच्छा, कौन से कॉलेज में? In this college. In this college you can write here at the last. In and you can write in this college. But must remember one thing. This sentence can be converted into two ways. The first, which I made in affirmative, admission in this college was not being taken by us. You can write in second way, admission was not being taken by us in this college. Both sentences are right. Only I have changed the arrangement of these sentences. So I hope so you understood past continuous tense, that how I have converted active voice sentences into passive voice sentences. I have written both formula of the active voice and passive voice. As I have told you earlier that active voice formula means the formula of simple tenses. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and please do follow the advice of Sir Syed Ahmed Khan that English has become an international language, so you have to learn it, you have to follow it, and you have to learn the grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis. तब तक के लिए आप जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.